in July of 2016, we organized ourselves under the banner of NERA, National Election Reform Agenda, in which we were demanding electoral changes. NERA was expanded to include other parties. It became known as NERA. We organized demonstrations, Comrade Chairperson, a big one which was held on the 26th of August, 2016. Big demonstration. Again, the police were able to contain it. No one was shot. No single window pane was broken. The army was not called in. And it was because we were increasing the frequency of these demonstrations. That is when the government or the police, on the 1st of September 2016, banned for 3 months the happenings of the holding of public processions in Harare using Section 27 of the Public Order Security Act. So we challenged that, and fortunately the Constitutional Court agreed with us. But again, no one was killed. On the 5th of June 2018, just this year, on the 5th of June 2018, a month before the election, as MDC Alliance, we organized a massive demonstration. There were probably 40,000 people, and there are videos, Comrade Chairperson. We marched from Africa Unity Square went down Jason Moyo Avenue to the head office of the Zimbabwe Election Commission, ZEC. We stood there whilst our leaders went and handed a petition. We marched back, this time through Samora Machel Avenue. Samora Machel Avenue is very significant because that's where the government offices are, the Constitutional Court is, the High Court is, the Supreme Court is. No one was hurt, no one was injured. The closest we came to violence was that we did press-ups in the street. Nothing else. The police contained the situation very well. We were happy, we went to our homes. But we gave notice, Comrade Chairperson, we gave notice to the police that we were going to march in terms of the Public Order Security Act. We have never, in the history of the MDC, we have never carried out a demonstration in respect of which we have not provided for notification in terms of the Public Order Security Act, in respect of which we have not complied with the law. Because we have nothing to hide. We are not a guerrilla movement or a rebel movement. On the 11th of July 2018, a few weeks before the election, we gave notification of yet another procession. And again, thousands and thousands of people came. If you went on the roof of any building in Harare, particularly buildings adjacent to Samora Machel, buildings adjacent to Nelson Mandela, buildings adjacent to Jason Moyo, it was a sea of people. It was a sea of red, of people marching. And that kind of crowd, no police can stop them if they decide to be violent. But they're just too many. But again, we were peaceful. We went to ZEC, gave a petition to ZEC. The commissioners of ZEC ran away. Justice Chigumba ran away. So we saw junior officers. We addressed the crowd there, marched again along Samora Machel Avenue, peacefully, went and was addressed by our leadership in Africa Unity Square. No window pane was broken. No vehicle was stoned. No shop was looted. The police were there, they controlled us. No one was shot, and the army was not called on by anyone. And on the 29th of November, Comrade Chairperson, we have given notification that we are going to march again peacefully, again constitutionally, because Section 59 of the Constitution says we have a right to demonstrate peacefully and constitutionally. So anything that is done outside the law, and our organization is full of lawyers, anything done outside the law is not ours. And we're not afraid of the law. We believe in the law, even though sometimes it lets us down. But we religiously believe in the law. And sometimes, Comrade Chair, we go to court knowing fully that we're going to lose. But we do so because we believe in the law. And that's what we have been for years and years and years and years and years. Even when we were at university, we've been involved in activism since university. We believe in the law. We will not betray the law, even though sometimes it betrays us, but we will not betray the law. We believe in the law. And I want to emphasize 15th of August 2018. We regrouped, Comrade Chairperson. We found a new leader in the form of Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We hit the ground hard and running. We campaigned, Comrade Chair, like we've never done before. We were in Binga. We were in Otito. We were in Chipinge, in places that can't be found by GPS. We addressed over 87 star rallies across the length and breadth of Zimbabwe. And the quantitative output of our work was there for everyone to see. The massive crowds that attended our rallies. The choking crowds that attended our rallies. In Africa, I think only the ANC can do better than this. So when we went to this election, when we campaigned in this election, in places, particularly rural areas that we had never been, we genuinely believed that we were going to win this election. And after the election, until today, this very minute,
1, 2.
we genuinely believe that we won this election. We genuinely believe that Nelson Chamisa won the election as president. And that belief, Comrade Chair, is very important. That belief is very important. It's the behavior of winners and the behavior of losers. And because we believed we had chairman, there was no way we were going to put people say Pamchatuwa.